So in this Wealthsimple trade tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Dogecoin, ticker symbol DOGE, in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go down to your crypto account. Then once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. Once you're on this screen, you may be at the top here. Scroll down a little bit to where it says trending categories and press on crypto right here. Now to limit buy Dogecoin, go down to where it says Doge or DOGE or Dogecoin right here. Press on that. Now to limit buy, simply press on buy at the bottom left. At the top here though, where it says market buy, you want to switch that to where it says limit buy. Basically by doing a limit buy, it'll then I guess make you select what you're comfortable paying at your highest price, and then once it reaches that price, it'll buy it automatically. So press limit buy right here. So as you can tell, Dogecoin price is 0.0921 Canadian dollars. So if I wanted to go 0.0 maybe 915 for example, right, a little bit less, I'll press on continue. If you want to invest $5, press on $5, or however much you want to invest, completely up to you. If you do decide to buy Dogecoin, press on continue. Then once you're on this screen, you have now set a limit buy for Dogecoin. So basically my limit price is 0.0915. So if Dogecoin ever reaches that price, it'll purchase it automatically here in Wealthsimple, and if it doesn't, the order will simply just not be fulfilled and will be canceled. So press confirm order once you're done. And that is basically how to limit buy Dogecoin, ticker symbol DOGE, in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.